Today in this video I am going to tell you how to clean your tank, because this is a drinking water tank. It has something very huge, 5,000 capacity or something, I don't know exactly, and it is in the jungle, so you can't get drinking source of water. We have got water purifier, but this tank is getting water through a bore well. But the most efficient machine, they purify it to level of something which is drinkable. Now see how to clean this. It's very, very important. Some brave people have to go inside. Time to time you have to get cleaning, you see what is happening inside. There is a brave person, a wonderful person who is doing this cleaning work. Here when water is being pumped, you will find a lot of minerals from the earth which is near about 200 feet. They will also swell up. ऊपर देखिए मैडम. Oh ma, Soba, look at. She is Soba, one of the bravest employee of NMDC. She is the hero in her company also, where nobody can go, where nobody dare to go. She is the person who goes and takes the bull by the horns. The same thing is done here in the city. She has also some plots here, and her son and daughter, they are going to construct house. But she has been a great source of help to everybody who has worked in NMDC. Soba, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. She has cleaned the tank, and now you can see the environment. In front of this house is Ames, and there is a beautiful lake there. Bambino Vermicelli, Bibinagar village or town or mandal, what you say, and then the beautiful sky, and then again that Ames, and all around is just trees, plants, and all these things, Some of the people are here also, absolutely nuisance and nonsense, creating havoc, disturbing. But what you can say? Putin and Zelensky are fighting. Joe Biden and Indian, all the political leaders are fighting the parliament. So the evil and crooked nature of the human being can really ruin everything. But I, being Buddha, Gautama, Siddhartha, always love and respects everyone. Thank you, hero. Thank you. She's hiding her face. Come on, don't hide your face. Show your brave face. So now the tank is clean, and she will be coming out. We have a lot of positions. You see the steps, bamboo step, which is very thin, it can go. Then the aluminium steps. So many arrangement has been made. Then the tank is ultimately purified. Thank you, viewers. See, still dirty water is coming, and it is being poured out. Brave, thank you. Well done.